when you genuinely surrender, like we did when we first started, to your dreams, to your goals, to your passion, you're going to do exactly this right here. You're going to feel like God has you in a slingshot, right? Right when you think you're supposed to be going forward, you're going to feel like this. For 12 years, trying to write my book, trying to do what I'm doing, I kept feeling like I was doing like this. But my perspective, God said, Sheri, quit being frustrated by the challenges. Quit being frustrated about how far back you think you're going. I need you to be focused on how far you're going to fly when I release you. Right? See, we get caught up in, oh my God, I'm going backwards. Oh my God, that didn't work. Oh my God, I've lost money. Oh my God, the company didn't work. Oh my God, she didn't help me. And all that is God pulling you back, pulling you back. There's no way I would be 6,000 miles from home if God hadn't pulled me back in my prayer closet, pulled me back when everything didn't work, pulled me back when I was homeless, pulled me back when I couldn't pay my bills so he could shoot me over to Lagos to come and stand before you guys. Come on. Come on. Some of you are back here. You're back here. Don't get frustrated. Don't get frustrated. Hold on, because God is going to shoot you out of that slingshot. If your perspective is, Lord, this day was hard, but I know you just got more tension on me because you getting ready to shoot me further than I can even imagine. Y'all with me? Y'all with me?